Give us a name, please.
Keegan Mitchell, Coach Kemps Hill.
Coach, a big performance from your team today. Huge performance, defeating Glenmuir, one of the favourites, basically the favourites. But you came here today, show some lot of fight and spirit. Can you take us through the game and what was the game like for you?
At Kemps Hill, Garvey, Kemps Hill, Glenmuir is always a cracker. It's always a game that you can look forward to year to year. But we stand up today and we fight it out.
I had a good view of the game. I saw you very narrow, the middle of the park, forcing Glenmuir out wide. Was it a tactical approach for you? Also, when you receive the ball, you punch in the wide areas?
Yes. We know that the number 10 is very special, number 9 is very special. They play close to each other, so we actually just pack the midfield. We just pack the midfield and say we're going to go down the channel. So we attack down the channels, mostly.
What was a what does this result mean for the players and also confidence in the camp?
It's a great feeling for them, knowing the situation we're in. We're tied with Denby on 13 points. We know that it is a fight to go to the top 3. So we're glad we tough it out and we came out victorious.
All right, Coach. Congratulations. Listen.
All right, thanks a lot. Yeah? Yep.